Hello, thanks for stopping by Bella Casa by Vicki Sykes, where beauty and style live. Today I have a beautiful wall decor design that's inexpensive and quick to install. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. So this project is super simple. All you're going to need is a flower dish from Dollar Tree, the round mirrored tile from Dollar Tree, and a can of spray paint. I use gold. I will have all the products listed in the description below. As you can see, I already sprayed the bowls gold. I actually turned them over and sprayed them because it's clear plastic. You won't have to spray it on the inside. You just do the outside of the bowl. After about an hour in the sun, the bowls were dry, and so now I'm getting ready to install the mirrored tile on the inside of the bowl, and I use E6000 glue. I just wanted to show you how I install the glass tile. I turned the bowls over. I actually did 6 bowls, and I put some E6000 glue on it and put them in the center of the bowl. And basically that's it. As I stated before, it's super simple. For the hooks, I just added some 3M hooks on the back. You can do the same, or you can do some glue with the metal hooks, whatever works best for you. And just like that, we are done. I actually did 6. You could do 9 or 12, just depends on how wide your wall is. But this is another way to add some decor to your wall and do something a little different that's inexpensive. It was under $10 to do this look. As I stated before, you can make it however large or small that you want it. So excited that you decided to stop by Bella Casa by Vicki Sykes today, and I do invite you to come back again. But until next time, I hope your day is fabulous and that you have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.